Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the only workable path, either a browser-capable watch or using your phone as the playback host. Make sure Bluetooth is on, the phone and watch are paired, and you're signed into YouTube on the phone. Once done, install a simple web browser or the WatchTube client on the watch if available, because native YouTube apps rarely exist for watches. This gives you the interface you need to load them. YouTube. Calm or control playback remotely. Now you open YouTube directly on the Watch browser or the WatchTube app. Speak your query or type with the small keyboard and tap the desired video. If the Watch browser struggles with heavy pages, load the mobile site YouTube. Calm for a lighter experience. Alternatively, if you prefer full playback quality, open the video on your phone and use the watch's media controls to play, pause, skip, and adjust volume. This uses the phone as the player, to finish, select playback and choose audio output. Pair Bluetooth headphones to the phone or, if supported, directly to the watch. Make sure the correct device is selected. If video stalls or the page fails to load, reload the mobile site, clear the watch browser cache, or restart the app. And if Bluetooth pairing or remote control stops working, forget the device on both phone and watch, then repair. This usually restores the connection and gets YouTube control back on your wrist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.